Hello everybody and welcome to Hawkeye FX with your host Marcus Toombs on the 3rd of August 2017. Now today is Super Thursday for the Bank of England, and that's because we have a combination of the rate decision, the minutes and the quarterly inflation report all coming out at the same time. Now as I wait for the report, I thought I'd just give you a little insight as to what I'm looking for and how this may play out when this news is released. Now, the first thing to note is there'll be no expected change to the Bank of England interest rate or the QE total here. And if there are, that will be extremely hawkish for the pound. So the next thing to look out for is the vote. These are people voting for the rate hike. Now, it's interesting to note, last time there was 5 voting for remaining unchanged and 3 voting for a rate increase in the rates. Now, this time we've got 6 and 2. Now, it's important to look at why that is, and it's not because they're expecting one person to change their mind. If you look up here, member Kirstin Forbes, who had previously dissented voting for higher rates, has now ended her tenure, and her replacement, Zivana, is not expected to rock the boat on her MPC debut. Okay, so there's a change in personnel, and the person coming in is more dovish, and so this is why it will be 6-2. Now, if this goes up to 5-3, then expect the first spike in the price as this news is released. After that, if these come out in line, then it may be initially a little bit muted, the price, until people have absorbed the inflation report. Now, with the inflation report, it's interesting to note that with the rise in the value of the pound that you can see in here over the last few months, this is bringing the cost of our imports down, and this in turn will bring inflation down. And so this may be a very good report, bringing the expectations for the future inflation down. Okay, and then finally, we've got the market will rally and then go quiet probably afterwards. We're waiting for Mark Carney to speak here at 12:30 London time, 11:30 East GMT. And what we're looking for in his rhetoric is to keep this momentum going in the pound trades here. So if he talks about whether they discussed to start tapering the monetary easing, if he says anything along those lines, then this pound will continue to strengthen rapidly. Okay, I wish you all your best for your trading this event.